In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Daraz affiliate link. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their website over here, and then you want to sign into your account. After you do this, you want to scroll down on their main site over here until you can see under Load More, it says Customer Care and Daraz. So here under Daraz, you'll be able to see at the very bottom, it says Join Daraz Affiliate Program. So this is the exact button you should click over here. And then once you do this, you can see Daraz affiliate program, and then you can monetize your online presence. So you can read all about it over here, and then when you are ready to sign up and actually do whatever it says over here, you can read all this on this page, and then you'll be able to know how this works. You can essentially just click on sign up now on any of these buttons over here on this page, and then in here, you'll have to put in a bunch of your things. So essentially, this is a form. So to sign up, you'll have to put in your account type, you'll have to put in your full name, your address, your city address, etc. And then once you do all of this, once you complete this registration process, click on submit form, and then once they approve the form and approve you in, you'll be able to get access to your Daraz affiliate portal where you'll see your Daraz affiliate link, and then of course you'll be able to start sharing it around, and then people will be able to use it and you'll be able to monetize that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.